Check it out. Look how much I got done. What the? Did you see that? That door just moved on its own. There we go. Woo! Welcome back to the Ranch Network, and today is day 3 of the Stables to Plant Nursery project. And as you can see, I made a ton of progress. We just got this refrigerator that needs to get out of here. We got some debris all over the floor. Maybe we can sweep up, do some other things, and keep this project like on track. I've got to get everything out of here and get this place completely renovated before the first frost. So we got the dolly. Put this dolly underneath. If I can grab it here. Okay, this could be a great blooper. If I drop it, I think I got it. Nice and slow. Got it. Woo, success. Look at all this debris, the paneling that came down from the back room that was peeled off the walls that I threw out here in the main building. You've got some of the old stovepipe. You've got some old lattice. I need a box or something that I can put this in maybe. I don't know. There's actually nothing wrong with this lattice here, so I will keep it. I'll put it over next to the workshop, and we can use this for a ladder project or whatever. Let's get rid of this old rusty stovepipe. Look at it. It's so rusty, it's like paper thin. Look at that. So in other words, I need to get another stovepipe. So while I'm cleaning up and doing different things inside this building, I want to kind of look around and survey the area. I'm trying to almost brainstorm while I'm working. That way I can figure out what I need to do, and I'm not like surprised at every step of the way. Like if I had a dumpster right now, that would be awesome. That would be awesome, folks. I'm doing what I can do with what I've got. I need a dust mask. I'll be right back. I'm gonna need a dust mask. It's taking too long. I'd rather burn this crap. I'm gonna start a fire, folks. I've had enough of this. There's just too much wood in there, and it's that skinny little pieces of paneling that need to go away. We always want to be safe when we're starting fires. I've got a fire extinguisher, so just in case things get out of hand, things go awry. Okay, ready? There we go. Woo, look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo. Don't try this at home. Don't do it. So now I'm gonna start getting some of that old paneling and whatnot and start throwing it inside of this fire pit before it kind of goes all the way out, right? We gotta hurry up. So we only have a few more things left tonight to do on day 3 of the Stables project. So we're just gonna give it a basic sweep. So this isn't gonna be like the final product. I'm gonna have to really work this floor. I'll try to get as much dust and dirt as possible out of here. Whew, it's getting dusty already, folks. I found some old Gatorade in the workshop. And I think it's a couple weeks old. It's hot, it's gross, but I'm hot. I'm literally holding my breath while I'm doing this pretty much. This place is gonna look amazing. Check it out, it's only day 3 and I've got this place almost completely cleaned out. I still got work to do on that back room. I need to finish demoing it, getting the crap out of there. Yeah, I got a lot to do. I've got 30 days to do it too. So, do you think I'll get it done or not? I do. So, with that being said, please subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to us, guys. I'm pretty tired and I need to get a shower and some rest. I've got about 30 more days to go. So with that being said, I've got to get to work. I need. What the? That's so creepy. Dude, you gotta be kidding me. That door actually opened up by itself.